Hi guys, it's Moz here, and on the workbench today I have this Airfix limited edition 172 scale Supermarine Spitfire Mk V. We're going to have a little look inside the box and see what you get in this pack, and I'll also show you how you can get your very own limited edition Spitfire. So I was advised on this by Dale at Airfix that they had released a limited edition starter set. So starter sets from Airfix basically come with a model kit. You also get the paints, you also get the glue, and they also give you a paintbrush too. Going back to the history of why Blackpool is associated with Spitfires is during the war, to raise money for Spitfires, they created this Spitfire Fund, and for £5,000 communities around the UK could have an aircraft named, and in most cases this name would relate to a group or location that had raised the funds. Blackpool raised enough to pay for 3 Spitfires, and each of them was named Progress, and it had the Blackpool Corporation transport crest on the starboard side. The pilot of this Spitfire was Sergeant George Thomas Evans. He's pictured there on the right, on the picture on the screen. And he was a Royal Canadian Air Force pilot that came across and started to fly for the 611 West Lancashire Squadron until the 27th of September 1941, where he was shot down over Hazebrouck in France. Now, doing a little bit of digging, I see that he was a prisoner of war to the end of the war, but he ended up in, is it Stalag 3, which was the prisoner of war camp where the Great Escape happened, and we've all seen that film. So there's a bit of a link there between Blackpool and the Great Escape. So Airfix have teamed up with VisitBlackpool Illuminations, and they've created this sculpture which all lights up for Blackpool Illuminations at the Gynn Roundabout, and they've called it Spitfire Island. So if you want to go and see this display, you can do. It was designed by Laurence Llewelyn-Bowen. So he's designed this for them, and Airfix has sponsored it, and they've also released 4,000 of these Visit Blackpool Illuminations limited edition Spitfire sets. And we're going to have a look inside and see what you're going to get inside the box. Before I open the box, can I ask a favour? Will you please consider subscribing to this channel? It really does help. And once you've clicked subscribe, ring that bell, click all. You'll be notified when I release a new video. And if you can, leave a comment and a like. It really does help the channel. It's basically a box standard starter set box. So, you know, at the top there it's telling you it includes poly cement, paint, brush, and 4 acrylic paints. It's got Visit Blackpool Illuminations, and it does have Progress 2. So this is the decal scheme, or the scheme I should say, for this Spitfire. On the back, there you go, there's the call out for it, so you can easily paint it to these colours. The 26 pieces in this one, which is standard across the Spitfire Mk V starter set range. And so basically you're going to be getting what's in that box with the paint, but you have this limited edition scheme. Now they have 4,000, there's only 4,000 of these that have been prepared, and you can buy them from the Blackpool Illuminations website, which I will link in the description box below. Side opening box, and as you pull it all out, you will see you get everything inside that you need to get going on building this kit. So 4 paints. I'm not going to bother opening these because you know what you get. You get the tough paste glue, and you get the 4 paints. 1 bag of sprues, which you put to one side. In this one, oh sorry, there's the brush as well. You get a brush with it, which is cool. Don't knock these Humble brushes. I think they're fab. I've got loads of them and I use them for quite a few jobs when I come to scale modelling. Okay, the decal scheme are printed cartograph decals, and look how crisp they are. So there you are, nicely close up. You can see that there's the transport badge there. I think that's the pilot there, or does that say progress? I can't quite see with my eyes. Yeah, can't quite see that, but you can see that you've got a simple selection of decals and no stencils. As I said, this is a starter set, but you get all the round doors you need. You get the identification marks and everything to build this Progress 2 Spitfire. They'll go down absolutely easy there, nice and simple. You also get the before to start guide. So telling you, you're going to need a few tools before you start the build. So nail file, tweezers, scissors, clippers, drill and tape. I've always said they need to stop this, get rid of that. This one here is not really fit for purpose. You bring the glue up to the model. You don't just take it from the tube. So you want to get a little bit of card, squeeze some of the cement onto the card, then use some sort of toothpick to apply the glue where you need to. But other than that, it's all pretty good. And you could also put there, stir the paint properly, but then also add water to it to make it a 50-50 mix, and you'll be sound. So there you go, that's the before you start guide, which you get in most of the start sets from Airfix. Then you get the instructions, and there you go, some bump there. Described as arguably the most effective stopgap aircraft the RAF ever introduced, the Spitfire Mk V combined the additional power of the Rolls-Royce Merlin 45 engine with the original Mark 1/2 airframe. There you go. So that's everything there. And also, begin your model building journey with Airfix. So if you get this, you can even use it now. Just get 10% off all orders with the code Blackpool10. And you can find out more about the display if you scan the QR code, which I will do later on. So these are some of the best instructions out there. It's telling you which parts you need from the sprue, so in which frame it is, and also where to put the cement or the glue. We're going to call it glue for this. Then you're starting to put, this is part for the propeller, so you can help you spin. And also then you're putting the top of the nacelle on top. And you've got the exhaust ready on this one. And there you go, showing you exactly where you're taking the pieces from which frame. Again, you put in the seats in, then the wings put together. And then you're attaching that to the fuselage. Also telling you there that you're painting that green. Okay, so it looks green. And then you're putting on the rudders or the tails as well. Then all the other bits as well, like your radiator, etc. Paint exterior colours after this stage. See a rear of pack for painting guide. All the way down, there you go, showing you which colours where to go, which is pretty cool. So this is a choice here now where you can have gearing up or gearing down. Quite simple. Again, it's showing you where the parts are that you need. Then on the end, you're getting the pilot, and then where the canopy goes, and just shows you all it needs is a little bit of glue or cement at the back there. An aerial propeller on the front, and you are basically done. And you also get a stand with this one too. So there's the instructions, nice and simple. So in this kit, you're getting 3 sprues. Plus you get your glass in a separate bag. We'll look at that in a little while. There you go. So there's, I think everyone's seen this starter set now. So there's no difference in the plastic. You're just building a bog standard Spitfire Mk V. You've got some nice detail on the inside. Designed by Pramjit, I believe, from the Airfix design team. So there you go. There's the first one. Then you get the other sprue, which is sprue, where's the frame to? Oh, so this is frame A, this one. But you're getting the wings here, basically, and the tail rudders there. Some detail on the inside, but as I said, we've a lot of us have seen this one before. But I'm doing it just for effect. And then you're getting the prop there, and you're getting the seat, and you're getting the pilot. There's the pilot there. Not looking too bad, to be honest. And there's the stand, which is brilliant. They call it a shadow stand, which is fab. And here we go. There's the canopy. Nice, easily done, nice and crisp. I'm trying to get it to focus for us. Just focus. There you go. Just focus on there. and that looks pretty cool. Excellent. So there was an unboxing of this Visit Blackpool's Illuminations limited edition Supermarine Spitfire Mk V. You can get them from the Visit Blackpool website. I'll leave a link in the description box below. And they're also available at the Blackpool Promenade shop. I believe it's called that. Go along, have a look at the illuminations. They are running till the 1st of January. I think they run from September to January. So if you are near that area in Blackpool, or you're going there on holiday for Christmas, go and have a look and see Spitfire Island in all of its glory. That's it, folks. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, click like. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, ring that bell, click all to be notified when I release a new video. Huge shout out to my channel members who help me financially by becoming channel members. They are named on the screen now. If you'd like to become a channel member, just click join below and select which membership tier you so wish. Don't forget, I do a weekly article or newsletter which will be delivered to your email box on a Tuesday. Go to moz6510models.substack.com. Feel free to subscribe free of charge to that, and each Tuesday you'll receive an email with an article with my thoughts, some musings about scale modelling. If you'd like to see more of my content, click here. If you'd like to see a playlist of all of my unboxings, click here.